You have another report by Beyond Plastics and the International Pollutants Elimination Network citing more scientific literature, finding emissions of persistent cancer-causing compounds from the chemical recycling facilities or their fuel products include dioxins, volatile organic compounds, and heavy metals. So unsurprisingly, chemical recycling's hardly put a dent into the giant fucking mountain of plastic polluting the earth, with the report also finding that for the 11 chemical recycling plants currently operating in the US, collectively, they have stated the ability to process less than 1.3% of the country's annual plastic waste. And that's their stated ability. Trust that as much as you trust a guy to tell you his actual height, because it's unclear whether they're actually operating at maximum capacity. For example, the Brightmart Energy facility in Ashley, Indiana, according to The Intercept, they're still operating in a test phase at 1/50th of its publicized capacity 4 years after breaking ground. And while you had that plant barely making it off the ground, Brightmark tried to build what would have been the nation's largest chemical recycling plant in Georgia in 2021, because he had Macon Bibb County saying, hey, we'll give you $500 million in tax-exempt bonds to finance the construction. All you gotta do is give us evidence that your plant in Indiana is actually making and selling product. But then, surprise, surprise, no evidence like that popped up, and the project was officially killed the following year. And you can boil it all down to one simple reason. It does not make economic sense. It was true in the 1970s. It is unfortunately still true today. Simply producing new plastic is cheaper, easier, and makes better products than sorting and recycling old plastic. And unless there is a big jump, some revolutionary change in the economics and technical feasibility of how this happens, it's probably going to remain true for the future. And so then, one of the big questions here is, why does the plastics industry invest so much into this? And the answer, if you've watched the show for a while, is not going to surprise you.